We found that 2.21% of India's population uses a wheelchair to move around. Often, such a small percentage is neglected and dismissed by the majority. This gives us the perfect opportunity to help these people, particularly students, by designing a bus that is easy to access.
Good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 23-24. We are from the group Accessible Transportation.
Our theme is mobility, and the problem statement is creating innovative transportation and infrastructure solutions that are inclusive and accessible for people with disabilities, ensuring equal access to mobility options, and enhancing the overall urban experience for everyone.
I am Amritha Biligri Prashanth of Class 8.
I'm Shreya Palacanda of Class 8.
And I am Shriya Menon of Class 8. We study in Excel Public School, Koorgalli, Mysore, Karnataka.
To understand the gravity of the situation, we conducted primary research at JSS Polytechnic for the differently abled. In our survey of 11 wheelchair users, they stated that they face difficulties due to the absence of buses with special wheelchair features. Our secondary research revealed that 2.21% of India's population uses a wheelchair, yet only 6% of buses in India are wheelchair friendly. People who use wheelchairs face discrimination, and our aim is to address this issue by introducing and implementing solutions for the benefit of specially abled individuals.
Now, let's dive into the components and assembly of our solution. We utilized a 2 x 3 feet MDF board, a 10 RPM gear motor, N20 gear motor, customized and 3D designed scaled and resized pinion gears and rackers, robotic wheels, and a 3D designed miniature wheelchair.
Our model employs a dual switch mechanism to facilitate the boarding and disembarking of children with special needs onto school buses. The first switch activates a 3D printed board propelled by a 10 RPM gear motor, moving it forward to create a ramp for wheelchair access. Simultaneously, the second switch engages a pinion gear and drag system, lowering the ramp for smooth wheelchair entry.
Once the wheelchair is positioned on the board, the second switch is toggled to lift the board back into the bus, allowing the wheelchair user to seamlessly transition onto the bus. To ensure safety during transportation, robust robotic wheels support the 2 x 3 feet MDF board, providing stability and ease of movement.
The primary beneficiaries of our proposed solution are the users, people in wheelchairs, followed by schools, which will have safe and verified solutions to implement in their school buses.
In conclusion, our project InclusiBus aims to bridge the gap in accessibility for people with disabilities, particularly children with special needs. By creating innovative solutions, we strive to enhance the overall urban experience for everyone.